gotten spoiled to the Pop Daddy sales, and now it's just getting ridiculous. This is the biggest sale ever. The entire sampler plus the limited edition birthday cake for less than $18. I mean, what? Let me do some quick math for you guys. So 18 divided by 10, that's $1.80. So you're getting it for less than they are at the quote-unquote Dollar Tree, and you're actually getting the real thing rather than some knockoff brand. Tap the orange button. This sale is going to go away, and I can't believe it's this good.